I feel like I would put a bed over here. To be honest, I mean, I'm joking, but not really. I guess maybe I'm also joking. So here's a bedroom. And to the right, we have a laundry room. And I was surprised by this. And I like this kitchen. I actually like this whole section a lot. Considering at 1,500 something square feet, whatever it was, 41 square feet, I think. This is a really good kitchen. You got a nice large island and some good extra countertop space. And this does have your covered patio, or the lanai, whatever you want to call it. And here's the master bedroom. And let's see, what do we have? Let's see, we got the typical 2 sinks, the double sink. Toilet, which is not in the closet, that's nice to see. Check out this bathtub, it's got the garden tub with a shower. That's pretty interesting to see. You don't usually see the shower with this kind of a tub. And a really big closet, towel closet. And then we have this closet over here, which is the master closet, and it's a good size. I'm gonna do the closet cam thing. Alright, so let me try to move around this hanger. So with my arm out, with the camera, that's at least, let's see, 10. Looks like it's, if I had to guess, I would say this is maybe 12 feet. Yeah, maybe 12 feet or so. And if I put this over here, with my arm out, I mean, what could this be? 5, maybe 12 by 5, something like that. So, you know, pretty decent sized closet. And I'm just gonna comment about this on the way out. So I think if you want a house, I'm gonna adjust the camera. It looks like it's strangely angled. Maybe yeah, that's all right. So if you want a house that comes with a garden tub and is a smaller house, that, you know, this could be a nice choice, because, you know, let's face it, typically when you're talking about homes that are in the 1,500 square foot range, that's typically a starter house. And it's great for, you know, usually a single person, a couple, maybe a family with 1 child or so. And I say that because, you know, usually, you know, you have to grow into a house. So typically, you know, these homes are starter homes, or these homes are great for people that are also retired. So the retired people that might be out traveling the country in a RV, they purchase something like this because it's kind of like a home base. It's, you know, cheaper and smaller. And I'm not saying that, you know, if you are a family of 4 or maybe 5, you know, you can't make it work, because, you know, you could make it work. But I think that the layout is excellent, and again, I really like this kitchen. Now, of course, it's a smaller house, so everything's more, you know, compact, so to speak. Everything's more, on top of each other. There's less space, but I do think it's really nice. And again, nice large island over here. And then as we go down this way, two bedrooms that were over here. And I'm moving strangely. Here is this huge bathroom. It's mind-blowing how big this bathroom is. I feel like they could have put a bathtub in here or something. Or maybe it will have a bathtub. I don't know. Maybe just because this is the model, it's a little bit different. Because I would think it probably should have a bathtub. But that'll be something to find out. And of course, there's your laundry room. So nice floor plan. I like it. Yeah, maybe it's just missing the